The Osaki OS Pro Maestro. The auto body scan starts prior to each massage to ensure that the rollers travel the full length of your spine. The innovative combination of the S&L track allows the rollers to reach your glutes and hamstrings while also matching the contour of your spine. Zero gravity helps to counteract the effects of gravity on your spine while improving blood circulation. The Maestro utilizes space-saving technology so that the chair only needs to be 5 inches away from the wall. The heated roller heads on the Maestro allow the mild heat to reach the full length of the massage track instead of just one area. The 4D massage means that the roller heads move on 4 different axes, giving the most lifelike massage possible. The 8 intensity levels allow for the user to customize the strength of the rollers to customize the massage for their body. 8 auto programs gives you the option to choose the perfect massage for maximum comfort. The Maestro has airbags located on the shoulders, lumbar, arms and hands, and also has airbag kneading massage for both the calves and the feet. With the dual foot rollers, the Maestro is able to massage both the soles of your feet as well as your toes. The chromotherapy lighting on the Maestro uses a calming color of LED lighting proven to reduce stress when used in a dimly lit environment. The high quality and high definition Bluetooth speakers on the Maestro allow for you to listen to your favorite music or audiobooks and can even be connected to your smart TV. The retractable remote cable eliminates tangles and messy remote cables. The Maestro is available in black, beige, and brown. The Osaki OS Pro Maestro, your new obsession.